All right, day 4 of the 54 Chevy build. The grill's apart. Actually came apart pretty nice. If you saw the other video, this was a wreck. It's still not the best, but now I can put a little skim, but all my letters are really nice. They turned out good. This one here, you can see that little spot right there. But I think once it's all primed and painted, I think it's going to look fantastic. But yeah, no rust, nothing through on it. It's in really great shape. Next is going to be the cab. We're going to start sanding on it. Found something pretty cool. The little vent, air vent right there, it still has the original handle, right? You probably can't, it's right there, but if you listen, it still clicks. It's really nice. Very cool. So this is next. We've got everything sanded down, down to metal. Next is the 2K primer. But now this cab's coming next. I'm going to cut these out. Those things are done. They are rock solid plastic now. That's not rubber anymore. So that is it. The bed, rear fenders and hood are all outside. Quick little close-up of this frame. It's Scott's hot rod. It's pretty cool. It's dusty from all the sanding. Those rotors, they're still, they were on a set of rims that had these special lug nuts, and I could not get them off for the life of me. So they were outside, but I think they both still sound really, really good. So, but yeah, Scott's hot rod suspension, rack. There's my, I think that's my front stabilizer. There's the bushings for it right there in the bag. Bink. Excuse me. Then we've got the cross member for the tranny. It's going to go right in here. I'm supposed to be picking up the motor tomorrow. This guy, he's going to be coming out after we get the motor and everything in, because this is going to become a loop for the drive shaft. As you can see, there's no way that that's going to work. No possible way. So we've got the Moser with the 4-link. Still all Scott's hot rod, everything on here. The frame, I boxed it in. I left a little lip right there for the brake lines, fuel lines, so they'll be nice and tucked in. C-notched it. Airbags. And then there's the bumper. The back's going to come off too. This gas tank. These all going to be gone, but the gas tank I'm using. So we're going to figure out another little deal back here for the gas tank. But that is it. And it's an original frame. Just in fantastic shape. The running boards, I mean, everything is rust free. I didn't sand the frame. I mean, I did to paint it, but as far as like grinding, no rust. I cut that thing off. That was some kind of Actually, I don't even know what that was. I don't know. I don't need it. Very cool. Picked up the radiator. Where is my core support? I just moved it. Oh, there it is over here. Core support. So, very exciting. This side is just as in good shape. I mean, these things usually are rusted and gone in this area. This is where the cab sits. So, there's that other thing. There's that weird little, I don't know. There's the axles. It's a 31 spline. I'm looking for the third member right now. But yeah, 54 Chevy. Thanks for watching. I know there's probably not too many people watching this, but that's all right. I just like showing everybody. I mean, these are in such good shape. They're dusty, they're dirty. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. And this little guy, that turns. It spins, but I don't know what it does. I have no clue. That one right there, it turns. I know this because I tried to pull it and the knob came off. And then down here, it has the key, but that looks like a lawnmower key, to tell you the truth. Because I thought they were on the steering wheel, but I don't know. Okay. I will post more tomorrow. I might do a little vid tomorrow while I'm picking the motor up. But thanks.